welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. We are talking about the Queen, guys. Fans bade farewell to the beloved actor Thato, who had survived many seasons on the Queen. His name is Xolani Mayekiso, but known by his character name on the Queen as Thato. He played Jerry Make's nephew, who owned a corner house for decades. Thato was a hustler, and he worked very hard to be where he was. Thato became worried after Sebata and Vuyiswa started dating and planned to get married. Thato made a promise to his uncle that he will take care of Vuyiswa, and he was also worried that if Vuyiswa gets married, he will have no place to stay, thinking maybe they might get married in community of property. Thato started with his investigation, which led him to his death. Mayekiso's character dies after a tragic accident he got himself into after Tembisa police station. Colonel Hector Sebata, played by Rapulana Sepemo, and his daughter Thando tried to kill him. They said the truth have its way to come out. Schumacher, Siyanda, and Jero's wife knows the truth. The big question is, will Vuyiswa find the truth about what happened to her late husband and nephew? Truly speaking, guys, we didn't see this or Thato's exit coming. We wish him well, and we hope to see him soon on our screen. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.